I looked at your guys' designs and I took elements from everyone's design and prepared everything yesterday for our build. But what I was really impressed with their plan is you guys actually thought about the math behind the build and you were measuring your blocks and laying them out. So what they did really nicely is they actually counted the blocks and made a material list. So for a good build and a good project, a material list is really important. Yeah, you guys really thought about the animals that were going to be in your tank and you suggested putting it in the shade, which was like a really important part, right? Another thing about their proposal that was really impressive, or species list. So the animals you guys wanted in your tank, you actually chose a lot of local animals. You guys put in here, it's important because it gives the fish a safe place from predators. The message is taking waste and turning it into something useful. The message will help the ocean by reducing the plastics in the ocean. Building with ByFusion is unique because it is turning trash into blocks. So thank you guys a lot for your artist statement.
Thank you guys so much for all of your wonderful questions. You guys, I can tell, are a very smart, educated group of kids. At ByFusion, we're on a mission to clean up the planet and block plastic waste for good. We're trying to use one problem to solve another, and that's what we're doing with ByFusion, with ByBlocks, focusing on reshaping the future of plastic waste and turning it into an alternative building material.
So this is the right side of the tank, okay? Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay, and then this is going to be the back. We're just going to build the back up. And then right here, the left side is by the wall. So what we're going to do is we're just going to build starting at the base level, and we're going to make like a horseshoe shape, right? So it's going to have 3 sides to it. And then what we're going to do is we're going to essentially roll the tank into the middle of that horseshoe. And then that way, you know how when you have an aquarium, it's got a background sometimes? Like you can put in like a fake backdrop? Our backdrop is going to be the ByFusion blocks.